Hey, what's up, everybody? It's been a minute since it's been a little time since I did a video just with me, without all the other shenanigans and all that. Everything's been good. Everything's been great. As y'all can see, I got that smoker going behind me. Got a little food on for the family here at the house. We're not gonna do anything big. We're just gonna keep it simple like we always do. Simple people who live a simple life. We try to be stress-free and drama-free. But just want to tell y'all that I appreciate all my subscribers. I'm trying to reach 1,000. I'm almost there. So hey, if you have seen my videos, share them with somebody. Let me know how I'm doing with my videos. I think I've come a long way since I've been took this up as a hobby, and it has grown on me. I met a lot of interesting people. I met a lot of people that gave me a lot of solid advice, and that I appreciate that. I met people that have put out videos that have been so inspirational to me as to help me with what things I'm dealing with. And I think that's one of the biggest purpose of it, YouTube. Everybody on here trying to see if they can get monetized. Trust me. If they tell you they ain't, they lying to you. I got some videos coming out here in the future. Still doing some modifications to the smoker here behind me. And I'm still working on my boat so I can get on the water. I got it painted. I say that, but we'll save that video for later. When I'm adding all the accessories and all that to it. I appreciate everybody out there in the boating world, tiny boats. There's so many of y'all, and I appreciate all the information. To all the fishermen out there, especially the crappie fishermen, CNB Outdoors, love it. 903 Fishing, they gonna kill me. A lot of them over in Texas. I can't call the names now, but guys, all of y'all, I watch your videos. I study y'all. That's how you become better at what you do. So, and I purchased a lot of y'all stuff too. Can't wait. Then tested out a few of them. They work. But anyway, like I said, share my videos with someone that has not seen them. I don't want to say ain't. That's not the proper English for that. And help me grow my channel even more, and I help you in return. I say it's been a journey, and I've enjoyed it. Trust me. So y'all have a great day. Enjoy yourself, but don't enjoy yourself too much. Be safe, and try to spend time with your loved ones before it's too late. Life's too short. Spend all the time you can with them. Trust me. It's a hurtful feeling. And let me say, it's a hurtful feeling when you don't. And soak up all that knowledge they have, because you're going to need it in this world today, because it's mad crazy out there. But I'm going to sit here a little bit and let this meat continue to cook. Then I'm going to head back in the house. And to the next video, y'all stay safe. Y'all be good. I love you. And thank you. I'm out.